In order to keep the magazines clean on a Linotype machine, you need to keep them clean by brushing the dirt out. It's very important to keep the dirt from getting in the magazine in the first place, but it's even more important to be able to clean it out so that you have a nice, smooth operation of the matrix through the machine. In this process here, we're draining the magazine, taking all the matrix out, somewhere about 1,400 of them for each magazine, so that we can clean the molds or the matrix, and so that also we can clean the magazine. Now here we're getting all the mats out, putting them on a galley. Eventually we're going to clean those ears. We're locking the magazines so there can't be any accidents. We pull this down, that locks the second magazine to the third magazine, or the top magazine, so when we pull the handle, two of them are going to come up in the air. The third one is down in position. That's in the position to be taken off the machine. These are the rails that you use. Got to hook these to the machine.
I'll follow you.
One on each side. And that's a rail to slide the magazine on. Now here's the other one. This is the one that actually lifts the magazine up off of the escapement so that we can get it off the machine. So here I am lifting the magazine up. Now I'm going to get up in here and lift up the magazine a little bit off the bar that holds it and slide it down on the rails. So now we carry this over and lay it on a flat surface. And we have a special brush that we use to clean inside the magazine. There are no more mats in there. The mats are all in a galley, ready to be cleaned themselves. Checking to make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, now we're going to go around the top side there and remove the rake. The rake is a piece that keeps the mats from falling there sideways. And we just loosen a couple of screws. And then the rake, you'll see why it's called a rake in a minute. Once we pull it out of there, it just looks like a rake. Special brush has bristles on one end on both sides, and we just run it through back and forth.
I always turn it over just for fun, just to keep a even wear on the brush and all. And you just keep inching. And any mat's got stuck in there.
Now we're putting the rake back in. The little holes have to fit in there.
And you sort of got to feel it as you go along. Get it in there, because it's always going to be one holding it up here somewhere. Then you pick up the little piece here, turn it around, snug this down a little bit with your screwdriver while you get it in there. You can't see it. Okay, make sure this is up. Ready to put back.
Is ready to lift up, put back on the machine. Put the ears on the rail. Slide it up in there carefully, slowly. And you'll hear it click and catch. Now it's in position. It won't come out by itself. Lower the magazine onto the escapement. Take the two bars off. Now we're going to lower it back down into its proper position. Now it's ready to put the matrix back in. It's important to keep a clean magazine at all times.